He's running by electricity with the guru himself. If you've been in campus for years, you would know this man. This man. In fact, he's our senior. He's now a graduate, having a lot when we come to practical. So you can see a motorbike here. You can see a motorbike here. I wouldn't say much. We'll hear from him. In fact, you really love this. So good morning, senior.
Good morning. Let's go this way.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Wow. As we can see. Yes. Good morning, senior.
Good morning.
Yes. So, please, what's your name?
My name is Bawa.
Yes. We can hear the man himself, Bawa. In fact, he has done a lot for the school. So, I will not say much. We'll hear from himself. This is one of his inventions. So, we want to hear from him what this motorbike is made of. Thank you so much. So, let's hear him.
The motorbike is made up of battery and traction motor.
Okay.
Or hub motor.
Okay. So please, we'll plead that. Can you demonstrate, show us some of the things that have been added to make this an electronic motorbike that uses electricity?
Okay. Previously, the motor is a fuel combustion motor.
Okay.
And fuel cost is very high.
Yes.
And we have to devise a means of what solving that problem.
Okay.
So we pick it from scraps.
Yes.
Remove all the unwanted part. If I say the unwanted part, mechanical engineer will see the engine to be a wanted part for him, but we see it to be unwanted part.
Wow.
The exhaust is unwanted part, and a lot of things are there which are not needed.
Okay.
So we eliminate the engine, we eliminate the exhaust, we eliminate the fuel tank, and now we power it with two components, which is the battery and the traction motor.
Okay.
So the battery and the traction motor replace the engine, the exhaust, the fuel tank, and all the unwanted materials. That makes the motor very bulky and heavy, and consumption rate too, with fuel being a major challenge as a factor. So that is how we do, and we came out with this.
Wow. You can't imagine a student in STU will be able to deliver with such precision. This means that, in fact, he's an excellent student. I've heard of him, and we have seen it for ourselves. You can inspect a motor, so you will see what he's saying. He's running by electricity with a lower cost. We can see with the current situation in Ghana, where fuel consumption is getting high and the money for that is getting high. We can see this is definitely a solution, alternative to the current happening. So, in fact, we hope that he will really do much more for Ghana. Yes, anyone who is hearing this could be of help. Sponsors should come, so at least you will have many of these for the whole of Ghana. In fact, God bless you so much. We appreciate, and we are looking up to you. Okay. So his final words for us, to the school and to everyone. Thank you so much.
Correct.
Yes.
My final words to the school and everyone, I will say that everything is possible.
Okay.
We shouldn't focus on book alone. Though Ghana, our educational system is book-based educational system, but that is not helping us.
Okay.
That is why day in and day out, if you go to the airport, the youth are leaving the country because the theory base cannot create employment, and people who graduate, they need job to do. They will say that there's no job in Ghana, which is a very big lie. Because if you are saying that there's no job in the country, then you are telling me that there's no problem in that country. So far as there is a problem, there is a job. But just tell me that there's no wisdom or knowledge for the job.
Wow.
And we are not looking for that wisdom. We are rather looking for what we don't need. That is the theory. The theory cannot help us. So this is not just to the school or the students I met here alone, but entire nation. Yes, because what I know is if there is a problem, there is job. But Ghana, we are saying that there is no job. Meanwhile, we have a lot of problems. So how do you define this one from my understanding? So rather, there's job, but we don't have qualified people for the job.
Okay.
And this is the way to follow and get qualified people. We should base on practical than the theory. because where you are going, some people did the practical and you've seen that place to be nice and you are going. But if you sit here, you based on the practicals too, I think you can make it where better than where you are even going. So
Thank you so
there's
much.
no my time.
Yes, thank you so much. So he will move it, then we'll see what is happening. Yes, this one is not only talks. He has ride it from a particular part in campus to here, which fortunately we had him, a great man indeed, a product from STU. So as you can see in the screens, he will move it, then we'll see all that he has said is really happening. Thank you so much. So we can see. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, fellow viewers. God richly bless you.